Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the KK Tank T5, and this smartwatch is fully loaded with health functions, and one of its health function is the sleep monitoring. So we decided to check it out to record our sleep or to monitor our sleep, and we have the details here in the smartwatch. I will show you the data it gathered as well as the information that you can check on the support app when you synchronize the data or the sleep monitoring data with its support app. So if you are interested to see the results, watch this video, and if you find this video useful, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the sleep monitoring function of the KK Tank T5. It is a comprehensive sleep monitoring, providing a lot of data, not just the time and the sleep stages. As you can see, we do have the graph here. So we have the rapid eye movement sleep. We have 24 minutes. The core sleep is around 4 hours and 28 minutes. That's very good. And our deep sleep here is 1 hour and 36 minutes. Total sleep time of 6 hours and 30 minutes. So we have the graph here. For more detailed information about the sleep function, you can check it in the support app. So this smartwatch is using the application Wear Joy. You can also use the Wear Pro. Okay, so we decided to use the Wear Joy here. So we already synchronized our smartwatch here with the sleep function or with the support app, and here's the data on the sleep monitoring. We have 6 hours and 30 minutes. We have the deep sleep here, the light, okay, and the REM sleep. We also have here the awake time. And we have the sleep quality here. This is very good. We do have some suggestions. Your sleep quality is enough for you to deal with a day of study, work, and life. So we have here color coding for the sleep stages. So it provides a lot of data when it comes to the sleep monitoring. So shallow sleep ratio, it is a bit high, but the normal, our deep sleep is in normal state. Sleep duration is low. We have no waking times. So we have some analysis here. So the recommended sleep here is 7 to 9 hours. As you can see here, although my sleep score is good, it is not yet enough. It should be more than 7 hours. I only have here 6 hours of sleep time. So we also have here a sleep recommendation, which is very good, the sleep aid. So it provides you a breath training before you sleep here, as well as other suggestions on the way you inhale and exhale. Okay, this is a sleep aid tutorial, somewhat like that. Okay, that's very good. So we do have data for day, week, month, and the year. So it will record your sleep, store it here so you can compare it by week, month, or year. So that's the sleep monitoring function of our KK Tank T5, and so far seems like it is accurate based on our other wearables. Okay, counting the sleep, the time that I woke up and the time that I go to bed, seems like the number of hours is okay. Okay, the time that I went to bed and the awake time is somewhat like close to the actual time. Okay, so that's it for our sleep monitoring function, a preview of the sleep monitoring function of the KK ThinkTank T5. If you have any questions regarding this new wearable from DT number 1, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.